If the line x minus 2 upon 3 is equal to y plus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 1 upon minus 1 intersects the plane here 2x plus 3y minus z plus 13 equal to 0 at a point P, and the plane 3x plus y plus 4z is equal to 16 at the point Q. Then PQ is equal to what here? So there are two planes here. This is one plane here, and consider this is one more plane. Okay. Then this is the line here. Okay. Then the equation of this line is they already given here. X minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 1 divided by minus of 1 here. So this line intersect the first plane at the point of here. Equation of the first plane is this here. 2x plus 3y minus of z plus 13 is equal to 0. Equation of the second plane here, the line meets the second plane at the point here. Then equation of the second plane is 3x plus y. 3x plus y plus 4z is equal to 16. Find the distance between the point P and Q. Therefore, take your solution. Let x minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to y plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 1 upon r minus 1 is equal to r. Any point lies on the line is 3 into r, 3r, take the minus to right hand side here plus 2 here. 2 into r becomes 2r, take the plus on right hand side minus 1, minus 1 into r minus of r plus 1 here. Therefore, let P is equal to, replace r by r1 here, 3r1 plus 2, 2r1 minus 1, minus of r1 plus 1 here. Okay, at the point of P here, so take r as a r1 here. Okay, because different values of r here, different values of r will get the different points of that line here. So at this point, take it as a r1 here. 3r1 plus 2, 2r1 minus 1, minus r1 plus 1. This point lies on the first plane here. This point lies on 2x plus 3y minus z plus 13 is equal to 0. Here sir, 2 into, replace this x by this here, 3r1 plus 2 here, 3 into y is this here, 2r1 minus of 1, minus of, that is this here, minus r1 plus 1 plus 13 equal to 0. Then 3 2s are 6 here, 6 r1 plus 4, 3 2s are 6 r1 minus of 3 plus r1 minus of 1 plus 13 is equal to 0. 6 plus 6 12 plus 1 13 here, 13 r1 here. Then 4 minus 3, 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 13 here is equal to 0. Hence r1 is equal to minus 1. Put r1 here. Therefore P is equal to minus 3 plus 10. Then minus 2 minus 1. Then plus 1 here. 1 plus 1. That is equal to minus of 1 here, minus of 3 and plus 2 here. This is the coordinate of the point here. Similarly, let Q is equal to, replace r by r2, 3r2 plus 2 here. Then 2r2 minus of 1, minus of r2 plus 1 here. Just replace r by r2 here. This point lies on this plane here. This point lies on 3x plus y plus 4z is equal to 16 here. Yes, 3 into 3r2 plus 2 here, then plus. Replace by this here. 2r2 minus of 1 plus. Then the 4 into minus of r2 plus 1 is equal to 16 here. 3 these are 9 here. 9r2 plus 6 plus 2r2 minus of 1 minus 4r2 plus 4 is equal to 16 here. 9 plus 2 11 here. 11 minus 4 here. It is a 7. 7 into r2 here. Okay. So 2 minus 4 is a minus 2. So 9 minus 2 is a 7 here. Then 6 minus 1 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 16 minus 9 is a 7 here. Is equal to 7. Hence r2 is equal to 1. So substitute r2 is equal to 1 here. Therefore q is equal to 3 plus 2 here. Then 2 minus of 1 minus of 1 plus 1 here. Hence this is equal to 5, then 1 and 0. Then here is the distance formula. There is the distance formula. Root of minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 5 distance square. Then plus minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 distance square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. 2 minus of 0 whole square. Therefore root of minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. Minus 6 square is 36 here. Then plus minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 square is 16 here. And 2 square is 4 here. Hence this is equal to root of 16 plus 4 20 plus 36 here 56 here. So it gives the root of 4 into 14 here. 2 root of 14. Therefore the answer 2 root 14 is the answer. Distance between the part A and Q 2 root 14. A plane which bisects the angle between the two given planes here passing to the point here. Means suppose these are the two planes here. Okay, the equations are these two here. Then this is the middle plane which bisects the angle between these two planes. Means this angle is equal to this angle. Both angles are equal. Then this is a bisector plane here. It divides two equal angles here. Hence equation of this plane is given by right part this one here. Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by root of okay. So a square okay. So here equation of plane taken as a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0. Then equation of this plane is given by modulus of a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 divided by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, that is equal to plus or minus modulus of a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 divided by root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, instead of taking modulus and take a bracket also. Can take a bracket also because they are taking already the plus or minus. Okay, therefore the required plane is of the form. We are using this formula. Okay, so required plane is given by okay. So take this equation here. 2x minus y plus 2z minus 4 divided by root of so 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square is equal to plus or minus here. Take this equation here. X plus 2y plus 2z minus of 2 divided by root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square here. Therefore 2x minus of I plus 2z minus 4 divided by this is a 3x plus or minus here. So x plus 2y plus 2z minus of 2 divided by, again simplify this one, it gives a 3. This is 3 and this 3 cancels here. Take the first time plus sign here. 2x minus y plus 2z minus of 4 is equal to x plus 2y plus 2z minus 2 here. Similarly, 2x minus y, 2x minus y plus 2z minus of 4 is equal to, second time minus in here, minus of, so x plus 2y plus 2z minus of 2. Take all these terms on that side here. 2x minus x becomes x here. Minus y minus 2y minus of 3y. Then 2z cancels here. 2z and 2z cancels. Minus 4 plus 2 becomes minus of 2, that is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Then take all the terms left side here. So 2x, so write 2x minus y plus 2z minus 4, minus becomes a plus here. So write plus x plus 2y plus 2z minus of 2 is equal to 0 here. 2x plus x becomes 3x minus y plus 2y plus y here. 2z and 2z becomes 4z. Minus 4 minus 2 gives minus of 6 is equal to 0. Length of perpendicular drawn from the pointer 2, 1, 4 to the plane containing the lines r bar is equal to I plus j plus lambda into I plus 2j minus k, and r bar equal to I plus j plus mu into minus I plus j minus 2k. 4 options are there. Suppose 2 lines are there, L1 and L2. Then this is a vector here parallel to this line. This is a vector parallel to this line here. Here A1, B1, C1 are direction ratio of this vector. A2, B2, C2 are direction of this vector here. Then here this is a vector here perpendicular to both B1 as well as B2 here. Then equation of this plane is given by this formula. Okay. So using that formula, equation of the plane. Equation of the plane here is, in both cases I plus j and I plus j is there. So take your determinant of x minus of 1 here, y minus of 1 and z minus of 0 because there is no k term, means the line passing through 1, 1 and 0. Then the direction ratio 1, 2 minus 1 here, 1, 2 minus 1 direction ratio of that vector, 1, 2 minus 1 here, minus 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Here minus 1, 1 and minus 2 direction ratio of this vector here. Okay, is equal to 0. Now we simplify x minus 1 into 2 2s of 4 here, minus of 4 minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 minus plus 1 here, minus of y minus 1 into bracket minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 minus of minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So that is 1 plus z into bracket 1 into 1 is 1 minus of 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus plus 2, that is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 1 is a minus 3, minus 3 into x minus 3x plus 3x. Then minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 3 into this here, minus plus 3y minus of 3x. Then 3 into z becomes 3z plus 3z is equal to 0. Here plus 3 and minus 3 cancels here. So dividing both sides by minus 3, it gives x minus y minus of z is equal to 0 here. Therefore, required distance of the point from this plane is, therefore, distance d is equal to modulus of put x is equal to 2f minus y by 1 minus and z by 4f divided by root of 1 square f plus minus 1 square then plus into minus 1 square f. Therefore, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Minus minus becomes plus 3 divided by root of 3f. Therefore, root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 cancels here. Root 3f. Therefore, the required distance is root 3 units here.